Ever watch these videos on YouTube and ask yourself how these avatars are created? You know, the ones that make you go, wow, how did they do that? Creating these avatars is easy. With different approaches, you can create such avatars with ease. This is a trend, and using it on your no-face YouTube videos will definitely make you stand out from the rest of other creators. In this video, I'll show you how to create your talking avatars in 2 different ways. Method 1, using the green screen method. 2, using ArtFlow AI, an image video AI creator. So, whether you choose the green screen method or ArtFlow AI, get ready to unleash your avatar awesomeness and take your YouTube content to new heights. Therefore, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and join me on this epic journey of avatar creation. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. With these 2 different techniques, you can easily create talking avatars for your videos. Without wasting much of your time, let us dive right into the first method. First, we need an anime character for our AI video. To do this, let's visit a site called Lexica Art. Once you visit this platform, it has a simple interface with a search box. All you need to do is search for a prompt. In this case, search for anime character boy. This will filter your search and split out fitting anime characters you can use for your talking avatars. Choose the one that resonates with your vision and download it. After downloading the anime image, you have to look for a studio background which complements our anime creation. For this, search for an anime studio background. After getting your anime studio, we need to remove the background of the anime image. For this, we will use a free AI platform. Remove BG is free, but will only give you the privilege to download low-quality images for free. But don't you worry, I have a technique for us to enhance the image back to its high quality for free. Hence, visit Remove BG, insert your image, and click on the Remove Background button. In less than no time, your background shall be erased easily. To enhance the image, all you need to do is visit this link and log in with your GitHub account. You have to create one if you do not have a GitHub account. Once you've logged in, insert your image here and drag the tolerance slider to the right. Now that we have our anime avatar, let's move forward by creating animation for it. We have to combine the 2 images we created from Lexica AI. Don't worry, I'll keep it easy for you to understand. Moreover, you can use any other software you feel comfortable with and have access to, but in this video, I'll use Photoshop. After importing your images into Photoshop, place the anime character above the background. Additionally, we have to erase the lip or mouth of this anime AI character. To do so, use the color picker tool and pick the skin color. Then use the brush tool to paint over the mouth of the AI character. Besides combining these images, we have to add some equipment to it, like a mic, a monitor, just to give it an extra taste. You can download them anywhere from the internet and import them to your canvas. By doing this, your AI anime avatar will look intrigued to watch. Once you are done with the edits, save your image to your computer. Now, I want you to download the lip sync file in the video description. Furthermore, it's easy to use this method, and the link to the file is in the video description. Just head over to download the file. Once you've downloaded the file, we shall go over to a free video editing software. In CapCut, import the final image edited with Photoshop and the lip sync file you downloaded. To get our AI avatar ready, simply remove the green screen by selecting the video. Go over to the video tab, select cutout, and drag the slider to the right to increase the influence and clarity of your video. With that said, all you need to do is to align the green screen video to that of the anime image. Once you are satisfied with the video, all you need to do is save it to your computer and start using it on your YouTube videos. Method 2. In this method, we're going to create our avatars with an AI image creator, such as Leonardo AI. The prompt will be added to the description for you. Once you insert this prompt, generate your AI image for free. Also, make sure you use the resolution 16:9, after which all you need is to download the image into your computer. After downloading, you need to use this AI image to video generate. ArtFlow is a very powerful image generator that you can use for a variety of uses. But in this case, I'll show you how you can create an AI avatar easily with just 3 simple steps. Visit ArtFlow AI, click on the Video Studio, after which select the Create New Video button. ArtFlow offers convenient image presets, but since we want to use our anime-style character, we'll import the AI image we generated from Leonardo AI. Browse to your computer to import your AI image. Carry your image into the scene. After the face is detected, click here to enable the audio. This final stage is optional. That is, if you want to add a script to your AI character, insert your script into the text box. Select any AI voice. Once satisfied, click on the Export and Animate button, give a name to your video, and that is all. As you can see, our AI avatar is ready to be used on our YouTube channel. So let's start using it right away. Remember, don't be afraid to infuse your creativity and uniqueness into your AI character. Even though everyone does the same thing, you have to be different so people can easily tell and distinguish your videos and content from the rest. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your fellow creators. Let's spread the AI avatar revolution together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with the latest tutorials, tips, and tricks for creating captivating content with AI avatars. Thank you for watching.